Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Loora AI versus Elsa Speak, Best English Learning AI. In the fast evolving world of language learning, AI has become a game changer for anyone looking to master English. Two standout apps leading the way are Loora AI and Elsa Speak, each offering distinct paths toward fluency. But which one is better? Let's take a look. Starting with Loora AI, this app acts as a virtual English speaking coach, allowing you to hold real time conversations powered by AI. It's perfect for improving natural fluency and building confidence through practical dialogues anytime, anywhere. Its biggest strengths include personalized conversations, instant grammar and pronunciation feedback, and a sleek, user friendly interface with gamified features. However, it has limited focus on grammar lessons and isn't ideal for formal test preparation. Now, for Elsa Speak, this app specializes in pronunciation using advanced speech recognition. It breaks down your speech to every syllable, providing detailed feedback and structured lessons to enhance your vocabulary, accuracy, and pronunciation. It's fantastic for exam prep and professionals aiming for precision. On the flip side, it can feel repetitive and less conversational. In conclusion, if your goal is to speak fluently and naturally, Lura AI is your go to. But if you want to perfect your pronunciation and ace formal English exams, Elsa Speak takes the crown. Both are excellent. Your best choice depends on whether you want to sound natural or flawless. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.